Hello, hi, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, mga followers sa mga kaibigan ko. Lalong-lalo na sa mga kapwa ko gwardiya, mga security guard. I-share ko lang sa inyo yung 11 general orders kasi dati nung nag-apply ako, hindi ko pa siya masyadong memoryado kaya dahil doon hindi ako natanggap eh. Hindi ko na-recite. Pero lahat naman ng tanong nila about sa security guard, mga nasagot ko naman kasi mga basic lang yan. Anong gagawin mo kapag nangyari ito? Paano ba mag-report? Ano ba talaga ibig sabihin ng security guard? Ang trabaho ng gwardiya? Lahat yung nasagot ko maliban lang dun sa 11 general orders. Pinarecite sa akin, hindi ko na-recite yung iba. Kaya yun, ito nga, minemorize ko na. Share ko lang sa inyo. GO number 1. To take charge of the post, all company properties in view, protect and preserve the same with utmost diligence. GO number 2. To walk in an alert manner during my tour of duty and observing everything that takes place within sight or hearing. GO number 3. To report all violation and orders when I am instructed to enforce. GO number 4. To relay all calls more distance from the security house when I am stationed. GO number 5. To quit my post only when properly relieved. GO number 6. To receive, obey on pass on to relieving guard all orders from the company official, supervisor, or ship leaders. GO number 7. To talk to no one except in the line of duty. GO number 8. To sound or call the alarm in case of fire disorder. GO number 9. To call the superior officer in any case not covered by instruction. GO number 10. To salute all company official, all ranking public official, and the PNP and AFP of the Philippines. GO number 11. To be especially watchful at night during the time of challenging and challenge to all person or near my post, and no one to allow and loiter without proper authority. Nice one mga buddy.